Hello, my friends. This is Mariana Crawford, and this is another episode of Glam MC in the place to be. If you like makeup, just wait and see. These videos will teach you something. If you like it, thumbs up it. Subscribe to my channel. If you like my stuff, I'll appreciate it greatly. Give it up. Today, I'm going to be doing a quick get ready with me. There's some products that I want to show you that I received from my Sephora play, and I just wanted to play around with makeup today. I haven't been doing a lot of videos lately. I haven't been in the right mindset to do it. Slowly but surely getting better, so I really wanted to get on here and do a get ready with me today. So I'm using my beauty blender to blend out my Fenty Beauty foundation. It's been so long. I miss putting on makeup. If you guys haven't entered my giveaway, there's a giveaway that I have going on. It's the video that says Declutter giveaway, Declutter Project Pan giveaway, something like that. And it was done on March 25th till now, and I'm on a no buy for this month for makeup, and I've been doing well. I do have an idea for a video that I think probably messed up my no buy, but so I have this idea. I'm gonna buy $130 worth of makeup products from Ulta. Some high end, like very little high end, of my favorites, and like people that I've seen on YouTube rave about certain products that are low, like drugstore items, affordable makeup. So I'm gonna go ahead and get all those products for my sister that really doesn't use makeup too much, and it's gonna be a combination of makeup and skincare, so it's like a full face. Yeah, washing your face, makeup remover, lotion for the face, foundation, like the Milani palette, all matte palette, stuff like that. And she's gonna try it out for a whole month, and at the end of the month, I'm gonna do my full face and compare the prices of the products that I'm using against the affordable ones that I got for her, and see where I can save money. I just want to see also if those products are as good as the products that I have that are a little bit more expensive, and just do the experiment and see what happens. I'm kind of curious to see what comes out of it. So I hope you guys will like to see that. She has her products already, and she's been trying certain things. She already told me that the lip gloss that she has is a lip gloss that she would have never bought for herself, but that once she put it on, she really liked it. So that makes me happy. So I'm like dying to know what the results are. So we'll see about that soon. It's at the end of this month, I'll do that video. I'm gonna try to do a full face of the makeup that I bought for her on camera if she allows it. If she doesn't, then I'm just gonna talk about the products. Maybe insert a photo here or there. So I feel like, all right. Anyway, this is my Sephora Play box. Make It Snappy is the name of the bag. I keep them for like giveaways. I keep the bags for giveaways. Ooh, this is Urban Decay Hi-Fi Shine Ultra Cushion Lip Gloss. I'm definitely gonna wear this today. I have here a Elizabeth and James Nirvana, so I'm gonna try that. And I have here Kiehl's Powerful Strength Line Reducing Concentrate, Vitamin C, hyaluronic acid. So how do you? I guess I don't know. Maybe I don't know how to use that. I have to find out. Let's see. Purity made simple moisturizer, purity is. Okay, so then this is an ultra light moisturizer with vitamins and antioxidants and natural oils. Okay, we'll totally wear that and see if I like it. So I have here Dr. Dennis Crow's Fight Wrinkles While You Sleep Wrinkle Recovery Peel. Ooh, I like that. Would totally use that too. So I really like everything. I like getting skincare products and trying them out because I have a lot of skincare products that I received usually from the Sephora boxes, Sephora Play boxes. So let me just check one thing because I want to know about this. Kiehl's is such a great brand and I really like it a lot. A fan favorite anti-wrinkle. Okay, how to use: massage a bead size amount into clean, dry skin before applying eye cream and moisturizer. Okay, in the morning and night. A slight warming sensation is normal. Oh wow, cool. All right, so Insta Beauty is the theme for this box, and of course I get my little 50 points when I use it at Sephora. So if you don't know what Sephora Play is, it's a subscription box for only $10 a month, and you get like little samples of new things that are. Oh look, this is the peel. So definitely gonna try that out. So of new things that are in Sephora, and that way you can try them out and see if you like them. Like this, I keep seeing this, you know, in everybody's PR boxes and stuff like that, on the videos on YouTube. And I've been wanting to try it, and here you go. See, that's why I like to stand. It's for $10. I get to try them out. That's pretty cool. And I always have like a ton of samples of perfumes. It's like I don't really even need to buy perfume because I get a new one every single time that I get a Sephora Play box. I always have perfume, so I don't really need to buy any. All right. So the one that I received is this one. Let me see. It's a really soft pink. This is called SPL. It's a little bit iridescent. It has like a two-tone type of thing going on. This is the holy grail of glosses. Our ultra shiny formula glides on, cushioning soft, and provides long-lasting wear that's simple, not tacky. Laced with vitamin E and peppermint oil. Oh, peppermint oil. They got me right there. I love that. Okay, so I'm going to put it on now. Just check it out. Maybe I should clean this first. Clean my crusty lips first. Or put a base on it. Okay, I feel like I need to put a base on it first. Jeffree Star's Rose Madder. Okay. Okay. It has a little purple reflex in it. It's really pretty. I like it a lot. And I love the peppermint taste to it. Not taste, but feel of it. It's nice and minty and cooling on the lips. Pretty cool. All right, so next I'm gonna go ahead and use my Bronze and Brighten from Pure to contour, blush, and highlight. Okay, I'm gonna put some on the lids and the bronze. I'm gonna use a little bit of the blush. Okay. Alright, so those three products are really pretty, and they're shiny too, which is cool. And today I want to play around with Matte Trimony. It's because I haven't used it in a while, and I miss it. I'm going to go ahead and use this color right here as a transition. I need to get rid of that. I'm putting this all over the lid and above the crease, everywhere. And I'm going to push it very close to the brow bone so that when I open my eyes, you can see the colors. This is my new SL Miss Glam BoxyCharm. It's called Eyeshadow P15. I'm just putting it on the outer V. Okay, this is a small blending brush by SL Miss Glam as well. It's called the T35 Precise Blending. I want to use a little bit of the pink on this side. I'm going to use a little bit of MAC Fix Plus and wet my little tiny, I'm going to use this and dip it into the pink to get a little bit an extra oomph of the pink color. Yes. See, it's a little darker when more pigmented when you wet the brush. And usually you do this with shimmer shade, but you can do it with mattes as well. And it just brings out the pink. Alright, now I'm going to go back into the Auburn color. Okay, that's the Matte Trimony palette. It's very pretty. I like it a lot. Put a little bit of that on the lower lash. I'm going to dip into it again. Okay. So that is really nice. Next, I'm going to go ahead and use my MOODSTRUCK palette to do my brows. I'm just using number 1, the light brown shade, and going over it. Okay, it's time for me to go. So I'm going to put a little bit of setting spray all over my face. And for setting spray, I'm going to be using this one. I don't have any other ones, do I? No. This is the illuminating setting spray from Cover FX. Alright, that's it. Next, go ahead and dab that into the skin. Alright. And for eyeliner, I'm using my top board. Okay. And mascara. Epic mascara from Unique. I'm going to use a little bit of... This is like a kind of a plum shade. Okay, and this one is called Love Affair 33. This is a Sephora Crayon Contour Eye Pencil 12-hour wear. I'm going to take this with me to work, just in case I need to retouch. Okay. I need to go. And that's my full face today. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And I'll catch you guys in my next video.